Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today we're going to do a get ready with me. I'm really excited for it just because I haven't done a get ready with me in a very long time, so I apologize if I'm like a newbie. Haven't done it in a while, but we're getting ready for a Christmas thing, so it's not a big event, but with everything going on, every single thing, just make it big. Like, even if it's like, oh, okay, it's just me and another person, just make it big as you can, like for yourself, not like with people. Please don't do that. But make it as big as you can. So like dress up or take pictures. Just make every little thing just amazing so you just don't feel like like depressed about the situation that's currently going on in the world, but still very safe. And so I'm going to one of those very controlled environments, but it's Christmas theme, like, you know, Christmas cookies and gingerbread and everything else, and like hopefully some other things and like food. So we're going to that event, but it's actually earlier in the day, and so with that being said, we had to wake up in the morning. And as much as I wanted to wake up with you guys, I don't look good waking up. Next, we are going to do our face, because face first before clothes. So the thing is, my mirror broke. So the only mirror we really have... You're gonna go in the toilet. Don't do that. That's not okay. Okay, I don't know. So I broke my mirror last night, but it doesn't mean I can't still, like, I shouldn't get ready. It's just now it's gonna be a little harder to get ready with you guys for the makeup part. So I haven't put makeup on in weeks. So sometimes every time I take like, oh no, in a month. I haven't put makeup on since Halloween. So I get a little confused sometimes. I use one foundation for like my darker areas. So like I have this line on the bridge of my nose, lack of sleep, we have bags, and then like random dots on my forehead. And then around my chin, it's a little darker. So I use this one. This is my full face, which is probably why I'm running out of it, but it's okay. I use the Mary Kay brand. My very first brand of makeup I've ever used is Mary Kay. I have very sensitive skin, and so it's really hard for me to try anything new. Even though now that I'm in Korea, I'm open to new options. They're even close to brown, honestly, at this point. Because maybe if you're tan, you'll just find it. But if you're a whole brown like I am, good luck to you. You know, if you can help me out too, that'd be great.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering a sample phrase.
Ooh, one thing I love about liquid, my face looks so dewy. Can you like compare here to here? Like, do I look so much less tired? Oh, but we missed some. Like my underline is still really dark. You can definitely see like, not tired, tired. Wow. Even though I'm not good at makeup, everything helps, that's for sure. We're not at that. And I'll never be a makeup anything. I would love to have someone professionally do my makeup, sure. But I would never be a makeup anything on YouTube. We forgot to do trim. So we need trim. So I'm gonna have the trim off camera because I have to get really close. Okay, they're done. Honestly, you know, they always be like, they're not twins, they're sisters. I'll just be happy if they're related. We're mixing colors here. We love that. We love mixing colors. I can't. I hate eyeliner. Okay. We're gonna do lipsticks last. Like very, very last. Like at the very end before we leave the house last. Because I don't know what I'm wearing and I have 3 different lipsticks depending on what I'm wearing. So lipstick is to be determined, but so far this is the new face. We went through a lot just to get to this like natural look. Okay, so it's a bit time later, I'm not gonna lie. I did a couple other YouTube things because I was like, oh, I have plenty of time. We were on time and we still have a good amount of time. I really wanted to get a lot done today for you guys in general. And so with that being said, I just finished everything for other YouTube projects. We're going in between. I should have just said like morning routine, but we did everything for that. And so now we have a little more time. I want to actually go to the store really quick. It's like a Family Dollar Tree in Korea. It's called Daiso. We're not going to wear the Christmas outfits. Sorry. To the store. That's not happening. So if you didn't know, I don't know if I said it or if I edited it out, but I don't have pants on. We've been doing this with no pants on. So I'm gonna put some leggings on, just a normal t-shirt, and then we're gonna go to the store. It literally takes maybe a 4 to 5 minute walk from my location. We're gonna go see if they have anything in there, come back, and if they don't, we're just gonna get ready and we're gonna be done. So the store I just went to had absolutely nothing I needed. So I'm gonna try 1 or 2 more stores just in my area nearby. There's makeup stores, but those makeup stores are a 15-minute walk, which isn't bad, but 15 minutes there, 15 minutes back. I don't have 30 minutes because I still have to put the makeup on and I still have to put my outfit on. But luckily for me, the weather doesn't seem that bad today. It's actually pretty nice, so I really like it. It's not snowing and like everything is not frozen, so I'm really happy about that. So this get ready with me, yeah, this is literally get ready with me though, because I have to go through a lot to get ready. A little more today because I actually am doing something. But oh my gosh, I had to the mask, took off some of my makeup. Yeah, I can literally see like a mask line. So I'm gonna do some touch-ups. I also bought some stuff at the store. So let me show you really quick what I bought at the store, and most likely it's useless. So 1 second. Just got me a caramel iced coffee. Yes. Grande size. I got 2 Danishes because I'm gonna scarf that down because originally I was gonna take a taxi to my destination, which is only 15 minutes from my house, and I was supposed to be there at 4, so I was literally gonna leave right at like 3:45. But my friend was like, hey, I'm going to the store near your house. I can pick you up, which is like 15 to 20 minutes earlier than what I was going to do. So we need to get dressed because we're not dressed and we need to redo our makeup. But this is what we got at the store. I want to do something extra with my face. There was nothing at the first store, and the second store still didn't have anything. It's really hard to find anything Christmas festive in any store, especially stores like that. So I got something like this, like a little body glitter. I'm not gonna tattoo myself up, but there was little bedazzles. Where did I put it? Oh, I took it out. Bedazzles. So I'm gonna take out the silver one and use these. I'm gonna use the silver ones. I googled some stuff, so I'm gonna just try to maybe bedazzle my face. I don't know how I'm gonna bedazzle it next, but these are also easier to take off because if I did the glitter, which I did, couldn't find body glitter, and so I was really, this right here would have been like, I don't know, this is gonna be really nerve-wracking because like when this stuff gets in your eye, it scratches your cornea and it hurts and it's hard to get out and it's just a problem. And so I was really getting this because I was debating, but I was heading towards more no than yes. Yeah, and so that's pretty much all I got from the store. Really nothing helpful, but hopefully I can do something with the little body glitter stuff. And of course I got coffee, so that's always nice. Okay, let's go to the outfit situation. Let me tell you what I am not wearing, because I ordered on Amazon and they looked ugly. They were ugly. So, okay, so got these. They look so much cuter on Amazon, like everything does. We had these. And then we had like these like little snowflake pants. These are a no, not happening, not working. And it's okay because honestly at this point now, because I didn't know what the vibe was going to be, these aren't the vibe I was going for. Next, I was going to do a pencil skirt, but I couldn't find my pencil skirt. I have no idea where it is and I have no time to look for it. And so the only thing I had was I wanted to do a black pencil skirt, can't find it. So I got another skirt, which is black, but it's the wrong season. And so I got a second opinion. I, called my mom. I called my mom for a second opinion and she was like, yeah, no, it won't work. So let me show you what we have and what we're going with. So this is what we're working with. This is the sweatshirt we're definitely wearing. It's a men's sweatshirt. I got it from ASOS. Ooh, sorry for the light. Yes, I got it from ASOS. It's a men's sweatshirt. And then this is the skirt that that's the only black skirt I had. That other than like the, sorry, belt on the floor. That's the only skirt I had other than the pencil skirt. So we're not going to do it because it's the wrong season. So we're going to just scrap this, sadly. So now the only option we have, this is my second option, is this skirt. This is a lot of red. So I think it doesn't look bad because like the black, white, red is all together. Oh, I've never worn overalls before, but with this skirt's much longer, and so I don't think it's gonna work. I don't think it's, unless I fold it in. But I really want to put overalls with it because I thought like it's a snazzy snowman, and I thought, oh, I want to be snazzy too. And then to finish up the snowman look, hopefully these fit. I don't know, but they got Princess Polly tights, like snowman tights. Oh, and I just want to show you guys because I thought it was really cute. So this is my family's onesie of the year. So this is what my family's gonna wear for Christmas. Even though we're doing a Zoom Christmas, we all still got our onesies. So that's nice. So we're gonna change now. So forgot, I also got 2 shades of red, like really, really red, like this red, and like a deeper red, like that red. So probably gonna use this, but I might just do like an ombre of both of them together. So yeah, I also got the red lipstick because I don't really have that bright of a red lipstick. Okay, so I'm gonna like teach everyone what I'm pretty sure everyone already knows. Don't wear an outfit. Like, don't try on an outfit the day you're supposed to be wearing it, and especially if you don't have backups. So this outfit, I still think is cute, but not for what I'm going for. The overalls are not gonna work no matter what, sadly, but this was the look. I think it was cute. But we cannot wear this exactly. So we can wear it, but we're just gonna put the skirt over the snowman. Yeah, sadly. So sad. Yeah, oh well. So this is what we got in the end. It's not terrible, but it's not the best. I'm about to put makeup on and the glitter on, and I'll see you then. But there's really nothing else. And I was just told I have 10 more minutes to do all of this, and my nails aren't done, so we're doing great. Pretty sure my ride is here. This is what we got. So at first we had a couple of diamonds, and then seriously it's like a get ready with me and my mom, because like even though it's like 1 o'clock in the morning there, I was like, okay, this or this skirt or this skirt, is this lipstick okay? She's like, it's a little too pink. I was like, this many diamonds or this many diamonds? I'm sorry, I should have showed you guys also what I had, but too late now. So, sorry, if you like this sweatshirt or like little tights and everything else, I did a whole unboxing. Well, no, it should be coming out after this video, so look out for that, because I did a whole bunch of other clothes from 3 different stores, holiday, non-holiday, all of it. So look out for that. That should be next week-ish and so on. So if you like the video and you want to see more videos, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. Boom! Learn how to live, lose your worries, and love yourself. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, bye!
Many times, many ways, Merry Christmas. That's what Christmas is all about.